Hello, this is my project 0 to-do app. I've pre-populated a little bit of information here. As you can see, the item count is 4, unchecked count is 4, and we do have um, four to-dos. And if we check these, you can see the unchecked count decreases, meaning there are less checked items. So say we've completed all our to-dos. We have the unchecked count 0. And I also implemented the delete part of the problem. So if we go ahead and start deleting these, you can see that the item count goes down, yet the unchecked count doesn't go down because it's already checked. So I solved for that in the code, so we won't get negative numbers, or anything silly like that. And also you can see if I can, every time I can click and unclick, check and uncheck many times, and it'll increment and decrement as it's supposed to. I did account for all those bugs during when I was writing the code for some of the stuff I encountered. So if you delete, you see the item count decreases, obviously, because now we only have 2 item counts and unchecked count 0. Say we still haven't done any of this stuff, so unchecked count is equal to 2. So that's the functionality of the app. It seems to be working just fine. We'll run over the code really quick, just so I can show you what I did. I created some variables here, counter variables, so we can keep track of those counts. The new to-do button here invokes this new to-do function, which creates some elements. More precisely, it creates a div, which is this whole thing here, and inside that div I hold a list item, which is, I use that as for the text that the user inputs, button, and the checkbox. And then I also assign some class names for styling, so class names to the elements for CSS styling, attribute to the checkbox for give it a type checkbox so it behaves like so, and I use the prompt method to grab the prompt from the user. And here, this statement here just protects against typing nothing, so if you don't type any words, as you can see right here, I'll just I'll do okay with like nothing or cancel. Nothing will get added here to the app. So yeah, if it is like at least 1 character long, it'll increment some of the counts. It'll just save the inner HTML of these counts to the current counts, and it'll append everything to the browser here, so we can actually see it in our window. And the final parts of this is the event listeners that just listens for clicks. Basically, we're listening for clicks on the checkboxes and the delete button. So I have one event listener that accounts for both of those, that checks if event target and the event target node name is input. Then that means we're checking on the checkbox, and it does the logic inside here, which is increment some stuff and decrement some other counts depending on what you do. And also the button here. So if the node name is button and the event target, then we go ahead and just remove child. So basically we just remove this whole div right here from its parents. And we decrement the count as well, just to make sure we're following, we're making sense here in our program. Finally, we just show the updated inner HTMLs for those spans. And yeah, that's it. My to-do app.